Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Adadex token. Ticker symbol is Adex, ADEX. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Adadex token. So this token is being listed tomorrow, June 20th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ADEX, and then simply just buy the token. June 20th, 10 o'clock UTC time, it gets listed. Now their official webpage is adadex.net. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a total supply of 200 million tokens. So far they have 1,864 holders. They do have a full white paper that you can find on their webpage, and they have Medium articles, a Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn, Telegram, contact email, webpage, and full white paper, 18 decimal places on this token. So Adadex is a decentralized network of artificial intelligence services accessible through blockchain infrastructure. Developers can publish their services in the Adadex Metaverse area, where they can be used by anyone with an internet connection. Developers can earn money for the use of their services using the native Adex token. It can cover the full spectrum of offerings in artificial intelligence and robot learning, image, video, speech, text, time series, bio AI, network analysis, etc. Robots can be developed in numerous fields, such as these services are used by the commands given by the robots, roadmap, a complete end-to-end solution to an industry problem, or a standalone AI application. A developer can also deploy and use autonomous AI agents that work with other services in the network. So Adadex platform is a decentralized AI metaverse robot developer. The core components are designed to allow for a functional, scalable, and extensible system. We are on the verge of achieving a careful process with the current architecture guided by several key decisions governing blockchain interactions, AI, robot integrations, and abstraction, with the goal of creating an AI market that is both open and compliant with regulatory and legal requirements. First, we make a conscious choice to minimize our dependence on the current blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, with both conceptual and practical issues positively impacted this decision. The speed, reliability, and low cost of Binance Smart Chain interactions mean that any scalable system built on top of it should minimize gas costs and delays brought to you by block mining time. These decisions are all what we wanted to isolate as much as the network as possible in AI services integration to reduce the learning curve and minimize the overhead associated with providing AI services via the robot. The abstraction is achieved through the daemon, a single flexible tool to help us provide scalability, robustness, development, and management capabilities to the entire community. Finally, we have implemented this separately from the full decentralized registry of artificial intelligence services currently available on the blockchain to make our market compliant without sacrificing clarity. And so they have, they're going to be working on Metaverse stuff here. It says AI robots to be deployed in the Metaverse field will facilitate your company or individual additional work. Developers can develop and sell artificial intelligence robots in the Metaverse space. Our AI infrastructure includes many features such as image, video, speech, text, time series, bio, AI, network analysis, etc. Our robots can do any job that they are commanded to. After logging into the Metaverse area, the opening will take place with companies and individual users, with the agreements to be made with the companies rising in the markets in this field. Our AI robots will be integrated into the Metaverse areas of each company. So they have a roadmap on here, starting with the creation of Adadex, website launch, community building, pre-sale launchpad, private sale, audit certificate, decentralized and centralized exchange listings, just like Mexc Global, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, then introduction to Metaverse, AI creation of robots, sponsorship period with companies, Infinity Age, then we got staking period, full protocol mainnet launch, tokenomics, we have 8.7% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 31.3% going to ecosystem marketing, 16% team, 7% advisors, 25% staking rewards, 12% private sale. Now, it looks like they do have a audit. You can check out their full audit by InterFi Network. They have the link to that on their white paper. They have some team information on here. Now they have news articles in the media you can check out. You can go over what is a blockchain if you don't know what is a blockchain. Tons of information is all available here about their artificial intelligence and everything, the virtual robots and all their socials. Everything is available on their document section. You can find doc.adadex.net. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global June 20th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.